Welcome to HitPaw channel. How to sharpen an image from blurry to highly detailed. That's what we are gonna talk about in this video. In most articles or videos you see on the internet, people would ask you to use Photoshop to sharpen an image. But how? It takes a lot of steps, right? What if we can use AI and with just one click to solve the problem? Follow me and I will show you how to do that. First you will need to get HitPaw Photo Enhancer on your PC. It is a powerful software to unblur and increase image quality to a higher level. You can find the download link in the description. It is available on both Windows and Mac systems. I will use the Mac version to show you how it works. It's the same on a Windows computer. Now you want to choose your image file or drag it into the app. I will use these photos as example. Here are 4 AI models. Each model is designed for different situations. So basically you want to select the most suitable model for the image. The general model is without question perfect for most cases. Take this photo for instance. Select the general model, and next you want to unfold the resolution option, and choose the resolution for the image. It will not only keeps the details of the original image, but also upscale the image to make it look much clearer. You can upscale it by 4 times, 8 times, or even higher by customizing it yourselves. The target resolution is written in the brackets. Then you want to click Preview to check the result. There are some changes, right? You can scroll the mouse to zoom in and take a better look. What a big difference! Look at the eyes, the eyebrow, and the hair, all get sharpened and become so clear. What's more, take a look at the skin texture. The app recovers the skin details quite well compared with the original image. Next you want to click Export and save it to your local file. So everything is just that easy. Leave it to the AI and let it sharpen the images for you. I will use this cat image as another example. Choose the general model, and select the resolution to 8 times larger. Then you want to click Preview. Alright, zoom in and take a closer look. All furs get sharpened quite well, right? Highly detailed. And the textures all get recovered. Basically that's how the app works. You might be wondering what can the other 3 models do? Use the first image for example. If I choose Denoise model, you can see the image gets enlarged with more details. The skin is retouched and becomes smoother and softer. If using the face model, the contrast and saturation will be increased to better reveal the human skin. As for black and white photo, the AI Colorize model can automatically colorize the photo for you within seconds. You can also apply the face model and colorize model together by ticking the multi-model processing button, which can save you quite a lot of time. Select the most suitable model and let AI assist your photo quality. Usually it won't take long for each image to process. But sometimes if you have high-resolution images to upscale, you can try turning on the Accelerate button to speed up the process. The app also supports batch processing. If you have multiple images, just import them all. And you want to apply suitable models for them, and click Export to get the images. As simple as that. One more thing, HitPaw Photo Enhancer mobile version is now available on Android devices. There are many new features on the mobile app, such as face repair, one-click beautify, colorize, portrait filters, etc. The access link can be found in the description. Alright, this is how to sharpen image with HitPaw Photo Enhancer. If this video helps, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe our channel. We will keep you updated of useful methods to improve your image and video quality. Any suggestions to help us improve are welcome in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.